Apakah perbezaannya antara le dan le? Adakah ia terbalik atau tombalek? Pakcik kena tahu. Hello, it is I, your Singlish professor. Let us continue with this beautiful relationship between Singlish and Manglish or Malaysian English. When I listen to Singaporeans talk about Malaysia, sometimes they confuse me with their recommendations of mama stores. Then, when I'm with Malaysians, I get asked, how come your people talk about mama shop? Isn't it Mamak shop? Let's get this right once and for all. It is Mamak store and mama shop. Both don't refer to the same thing, while curiously enough, they share the same root word, the Tamil word mama, which means uncle. In Malaysia, a Mamak store is an al fresco eating place that offers Indian Muslim food. In Singapore, a mama shop isn't a restaurant, but a neighborhood convenience store whose operator we call uncle or mama. You need to get this right, or you may be lost if asked to go downstairs and buy bread from the mama shop, or if a friend in Johor invites you for supper at a Mamak store. Speaking of food, let's clarify some more. If you want roti prata in Malaysia, ask for roti canai. If you want roti canai in Singapore, ask for roti prata. Both are the same yummy dish. And that fried noodle dish char kway teow in Singapore, it may get spelt with an O in Malaysia. The lovely dessert cendol is often anglicized with an H over here. Wow, all this talk is making me quite hungry. Uncle must go now. Remember, stay strong, don't panic, and keep eating delicious local food. Yeah! Wow, I squeezed got sound.